Welcome to December. Can you believe it? It's December 1st already. And if we've learned anything through this strange school year, it's that we have to adapt. We have to try new things. Um, I'd never used Gravit Designer Pro. I've made all kinds of videos. This last one, the Gravit Tips, it's again a compilation of videos discovering how to use the tool, sharing my strategies with you, and I continue to learn new things. And if you haven't done any of these, you might watch the last one just to get an idea of what's going to happen in there and the difference between something calm and orderly like that and a little jumbled up and a little more organic. And there's some tricks here because look at how that one tilts and then it tilts the opposite way here, and that's necessary to continue this in and out little pattern. And these steps are all described throughout these videos. Oh, but Scotchko, that's so many videos. I know, that's a lot of videos. But how else are you going to learn to use this tool? I've done it by trial and error, and I've used software a long time. I've used Illustrator. I've used software programs to create art since the 1990s. Okay, it's been a long time. And so you get a feel for this. But you've got YouTube. You've got this wonderful collection of people sharing their knowledge with one another. And I love the open source, camaraderie. And maybe in my own little contribution, somebody else gets an idea. And this is the combination of a lot of things that I've learned. And here's something new. I grouped this 10 by 10. There's 100 individual squares here. And I grouped this and renamed it with the same file name as this right here. So it actually exports with the correct name. That's something I never thought of before. Something else I discovered after you group it, I've been ungrouping to work on individual elements. Let's say I wanted to change that. I think these two are too close together and I want to change this, make this a little darker. Well, you can unfurl this and then click on the one you want and then come over and just adjust. See, this is the percentage of opacity, and then adjust individually, and then you can close this back up again, and when you click on it, when you click on it, there we go. Now you select the entire group again. So it's all learning by doing. And yeah, this is that same color harmony. I've been working with the exact same color harmony because I want to keep this consistent in order to show you different strategies to demonstrate your understanding of color harmonies. And you don't have to work with little rectangles. I show you a lot of other things throughout that video, but I stay with simple geometric shapes just to keep this easy to understand. Because when I'm trying to learn a new piece of software, I don't try to do something elaborate and complicated right off the bat. I want to learn the fundamentals and build from there. And through this experience, I've learned all kinds of stuff and tried to share it with you. Now, will it take some effort on your part in order to catch up? If you wanted to use a tool like this, yes. If you choose a different tool, you're still going to have to bootstrap yourself and learn how to use it in order to demonstrate that you get what I'm trying to explain to you, as in how to use one tool to create imagery and another tool to enhance imagery so that you can then go back and submit images to demonstrate your understanding of the elements, principles, and color harmonies. Okay? Important stuff. In order to have a richer experience next quarter and these last 3 weeks. So get on that creative horse and ride it for all it's worth. And let's see what you can come up with. And share your knowledge back Hey, this is how I did this. Look at what I discovered. How cool. Have some fun with this. The class is supposed to be fun, you know?